Imagine opening a jar and being greeted by a burst of tangy, spicy, garlicky aroma, alive with fermentation, bubbling with flavor, and carrying centuries of tradition. That's kimchi, Korea's most iconic dish, and one of the world's greatest fermented foods. Today, I'll show you how to make authentic kimchi at home, step by step, in a way that serves 4 people perfectly. It's easier than you think, and the results are deeply rewarding. Ingredients for 4 people: 1 medium batch, 1 medium Napa cabbage, about 1.2 to 1.5 kilos, a quarter cup of sea salt, non-iodized, so fermentation isn't hindered, 4 cups of cold water. For the kimchi paste seasoning, 1 tablespoon sweet rice flour, or plain flour as substitute, 1 cup water, 2 tablespoons white sugar, 5 cloves garlic, minced, 1 thumb-sized piece of ginger, grated, 3 tablespoons Korean red pepper flakes, gochugaru, adjust to taste, 3 tablespoons fish sauce, or soy sauce for vegetarian version, 2 tablespoons salted shrimp, optional, traditional, but skip if vegetarian. Vegetables for texture: 1 medium carrot, julienned, half a small daikon radish, julienned, 4 stalk spring onions chopped. Start by cutting your Napa cabbage lengthwise into quarters, then cut out the core, slice each quarter into bite-sized chunks, place them in a large bowl and sprinkle the salt evenly across the leaves. Pour in the cold water and press the cabbage down so it's submerged. Leave it for 2 hours, tossing every 30 minutes. This brining process softens the leaves, draws out moisture, and sets the stage for fermentation. While the cabbage is brining, make the seasoning base. In a small saucepan, whisk 1 tablespoon of sweet rice flour with 1 cup of water. Cook over medium heat, stirring constantly until it thickens into a smooth porridge. About 5 minutes. Remove from the heat, stir in the sugar, and let it cool completely. This porridge helps the seasoning stick to the cabbage and provides food for fermentation. Once cooled, add minced garlic, grated ginger, fish sauce, and gochugaru into the porridge. Mix until you have a fiery aromatic paste. The color should be a deep, vibrant red. This is the soul of kimchi. Now add julienned carrot, daikon radish, and chopped spring onions into the paste. Stir until the vegetables are coated. They'll add crunch, freshness, and flavor balance. After 2 hours of brining, rinse the cabbage thoroughly under cold running water at least 3 times to remove excess salt. Drain well and gently squeeze out extra water. The leaves should be flexible but still crisp. Put the cabbage into a large mixing bowl. Wearing food-safe gloves, scoop the paste onto the cabbage and massage it in thoroughly. Make sure every leaf is coated in that spicy, garlicky mixture. This is the most satisfying step, turning plain cabbage into kimchi right before your eyes. Transfer the coated cabbage into a clean glass jar, pressing down firmly to remove air pockets. Leave about an inch of space at the top. Wipe the rim clean, seal with a lid, and you're ready for fermentation. Leave the jar at room temperature for 1 to 2 days, depending on how warm your kitchen is. You'll notice bubbles forming and a tangy aroma developing. After 24 to 48 hours, move the jar to the fridge, where fermentation will continue slowly. Kimchi is usually best after 5 to 7 days, but you can eat it earlier if you prefer a fresher taste. Serve your kimchi as a side dish with rice, noodles, or grilled meats. Add it to soups, pancakes, or even toasted cheese sandwiches for a spicy twist. In Korea, kimchi isn't just food. It's family, it's history, and it's health in a jar. And that's how you make kimchi for 4 people. Bold, spicy, and alive with flavor. A simple mix of cabbage, spice, and thyme, transformed into one of the world's great culinary treasures. If you try this at home, let me know how your first batch turns out. Until next time, happy cooking and enjoy your homemade kimchi.